Exercise 9.1, question number 11. A TB tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. Let's draw a figure for this question. In this given figure, AB denotes the height of the TB tower, BC represents the width of the canal, C and D are two positions of the observer. C is the point on the bank of the canal, and after moving 20 meter away from the bank of the canal, the observer observes from point D top of the cable TB tower and finds the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Here AB is, let us take H, height of TB tower. BC, let us write X, width of the canal. DC 20 meter. Angle ACB and angle ADB are angles of elevation of top of the TB tower, AB from point C and from point D respectively. In right triangle ACB, angle ACB is 60 degree, which is angle of elevation of the top of the TB tower from the point C, which is on the opposite bank of the canal. So AB by BC equal to tan 60 degrees. AB we have taken H and BC X, so H by X equal to root 3, and if you cross multiply get H equal to under root 3 into X. Let it be equation number 1. Now in right triangle ADB, angle ADB equal to 30 degrees, which is angle of elevation of the top of the tower from TB tower from point D. So AB by BD equal to tan 30 degrees. AB we have written H, BD we can write BC plus DC equal to 1 by root 3. This implies H by BC is X, DC is 20. So H by X plus 20 equal to 1 by root 3. Now cross multiply root 3H equal to x plus 20. Let us put h equal to root 3 into x from 1. So root 3 into root 3x equal to x plus 20. This is from 1. Root 3 into root 3 3x equal to x plus 20. Transpose this x from right side to left side, we get 3x minus x equal to 20. So 2x equal to 20, so x equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. So value of x we have got 10, and h is equal to root 3 into x, so therefore h equal to root 3 x means root 3 into 10 root 3. So therefore height of the TB tower equal to 10 root 3 meter, and width of the canal equal to 10 meter. Question number 12. From the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. So let's draw a figure for this question. In this figure, AD represents the height of the building, that is 7 meter. BC represents the height of the cable tower. From the top of 7 meter high building, that is from point D, top of the cable tower C is observed and angle of elevation is found 60 degrees. From the same observation point D, foot of the cable tower is observed and angle of depression is found 45 degrees. DE is horizontal, drawn through the observation point D parallel to the level ground. So DE is perpendicular to BC and parallel to AB. Here this building AD and cable tower BC both are standing vertically upward, perpendicular to the level ground. So system is rectangular. So let us write AD equal to 7 meter high building. BC represents height of the cable tower. Let us write BC equal to H, height of the cable tower, that we have to find out in this question. DE is drawn perpendicular to BC and DE is horizontal also parallel to AB. So therefore AB will be equal to DE, and let us write it as X. System is rectangular, so AD is equal to BE equal to 7 meter, and BC we have taken H as height of the cable tower, therefore CE is equal to BC minus BE. So it is H minus 7 meter. As DE is parallel to AB, so this angle of depression being alternate interior angle will be equal to angle ABD. So in right triangle ABD, angle ABD equal to 45 degrees. So we can write AD by AB equal to tan 45 degrees. AD 7 meter, so 7 by AB we have taken x equal to tan 45 degree value 1, so x equal to 7 meter. So therefore AB or DE is equal to x is 7 meter. Now in right triangle CDE, triangle CDE, angle CDE is equal to 60 degrees, which is angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower C from the top of a 7 meter high building D. So CE by DE equal to tan 60 degrees. CE 7 H minus 7 by DE 7 meter equal to tan 60 degree value root 3. Cross multiply H minus 7 equal to 7 root 3. So H equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. This minus 7 transpose from left side to right side, and from here if 7 is taken common, then under root 3 plus 1 we can write in bracket. So H equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1, which is height of the cable tower. So therefore height of the cable tower equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter, and this is the answer. Now question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse from sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Let us draw a figure for this question. In this figure, CD represents the height of the lighthouse, which is given 75 meter in the question. A and B represents the positions of the two ships exactly one behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, CD of height 75 meter. BC let us take as x, and AB distance between the two ships let us take y. CD equal to 75 meter, height of the lighthouse, height of the lighthouse. A and B are positions of two ships. BC is equal to X, let us suppose, and AB equal to Y, let us suppose. OD is horizontal, drawn from the observation point which is top of the lighthouse, because two ships are observed from the top of the lighthouse. So top of the lighthouse CD is the observation point, that is D. So from point D, OD is drawn horizontal parallel to AC. So therefore angle DAC equal to 30 degree being alternate interior angles, and angle DBC equal to 45 degree. Horizontal OD is parallel to AC. DA and DB are as transversal. So angles of depressions 30 degrees and 45 degrees of two ships at positions A and B are equal to angle DAC and angle DBC being alternate interior angles like this. Now in right triangle DBC, in right triangle DBC, angle DBC is equal to 45 degrees. So DC by BC equal to 1045 degrees. DC is height of the lighthouse given 75 meter. By BC we have taken X and 1045 degrees value 1. So this implies X equal to 75 meter. Now in right triangle DAC, angle DAC equal to 30 degrees. Angle DAC equal to 30 degrees. So we can write DC by AC equal to 1030 degrees. DC is 75 meter height of the lighthouse. AC we can write AB plus BC 1030 degree value 1 by root 3. So 75 by AB Y, BC is taken X equal to 1 by under root 3. If you cross multiply, it is X plus Y equal to 75 root 3, and value of X is equal to 75. So from here if you put 75 plus Y equal to 75 root 3. So Y is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75 is taken common, so under root 3 minus 1, and this y is distance between the two ships, so therefore distance between two ships equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter, and this is the answer.